Hey guys, and welcome to my Unit 4 Part 3 test review. I'm going to go ahead and work through a couple examples on the study guides, and I'm going to focus on just certain ones. I'm going to help you go through a couple of them. I'll have a key available in class that you can check your answers with on all the others. But for this video, I'm just going to go ahead and go through those examples very quickly. Okay, the first thing I want to do is look backwards. Does not follow your review. I'm going to go ahead and flip my page over and look at the solving piece, because that's what we learned first. So I want to go ahead and take care of the solving piece. Now, I have another video on YouTube already about solving. So if you need more help on solving, you need to go watch that video. That is all I'm going to say on that topic. I will do 1 and 4. But if you need more help, please go to that first video that I made that went over approximately 10 to 12 examples of those solving. Okay, so after that, I'm going to go ahead and get started off my little spiel. And we're going to look at number 1. Number 1, if you notice, you have no plus sign. And by that, I mean no plus sign like over number 4. And it's simply just a fraction over a fraction. So, with it being a fraction over a fraction, we can call this a proportion and cross multiply. Okay? So we're just going to go ahead and do that. We're going to cross multiply. The first side is going to be 8 times 3 is equal to x minus 2, if I can write, times x plus 3. Okay, so what's 8 times 3? It's 24. And then let's expand. Okay, whatever method you need to use, FOIL or the area model, go ahead and expand those binomials. Okay, this will become x squared. That's found by x times x, 3x here, negative 2x here, and negative 6. So that becomes x squared plus 1x minus 6. Okay? Now, what do we have? If you notice, we have a degree of 2. So with the 2, that tells me it's a quadratic, and we're going to have 2 solutions. So we need to set everything equal to 0. So I'm going to take this 24 and subtract it so I can get this left side equal to 0. Okay? So this crosses out, leaving you with the quadratic. X squared plus 1x. Negative 6 minus 24 is a negative 30. Now, at this point, you need to go ahead and factor negative 30 and figure out what 2 factors will give you 1. Well, hopefully you should be talking about, okay, what are the factors of 30? 1 and 30, 2 and 15, 3 and 10, 5 and 6. 5 and 6 are our best bet. Since our middle number is positive, that 1 is positive, and then the top number is negative, we know one of these have got to be negative. Which one? The 5. So we will have the factored form of x minus 5 times x plus 6. Okay? We're going to set everything equal to 0, all right, in order to find our 2 numbers, and we'll have the 2 solutions for x as follows. 5 and negative 6. Now, at this point in time, you should be checking your domain restrictions to see if these solutions are in fact true. Our domain restrictions from my original problem right here is x cannot equal positive 2. Are either one of my solutions 2? No. So we can go ahead and box this answer.